This is a video about what we have demonstrated Pipeline can and could do. The first Pipeline proof of concept was started in August 5, 2018. 20 months have passed since the first Pipeline PoC, and nobody prepared us for the richness of the problem space. It started only as some in-browser JavaScript acting as a Web3 dApp. Now here is what has been implemented and the immediate plans, with the mention that some items marked with TBI are already implemented, just not demoed yet on YouTube. But first, some context. Pipeline graphs can contain various types of nodes, from Ethereum smart contract functions and events to WebAssembly, JavaScript, Rust, and Python functions. Graphs can be homogeneous or heterogeneous, containing nodes of different types. Pipeline can also handle nested graphs through composition. For a graph, Pipeline can produce source code, or it can execute the graph, resolving each node based on its type. We now have Pipeline graph interpreters in JavaScript and Node.js, Python, Rust, WebAssembly, and the Ethereum virtual machine. The JavaScript graph interpreter has support for nodes representing Web3 resources. You can make Ethereum smart contract calls and transactions or listen to blockchain events. It also has support for vanilla JavaScript functions, WebAssembly functions, Rust functions through Node.js and FFI, and heterogeneous nested graphs. The Python graph interpreter has support for Python functions. The WebAssembly graph interpreter written in Rust has support for WASM functions, and the Ethereum virtual machine graph interpreter can run other EVM functions and can handle nested graphs. You can find this document on GitHub at the link in the description. This is the state of Pipeline today and our plans for the upcoming period.